All right, check it out. You know me, people. I'm always taking care of my dwarf Cayman. You know, I always want the best for my reptiles. Oh, snap! All right, check it out. Whether it's the big alligators or the small ones, I make sure everybody's getting along. Everybody's doing well. I do put my hand in there and do touch my animals. I do touch my reptiles. So holla at your boy, people. I just got to check on them, make sure they all doing good. Everybody seem to be live and well, so you just pick them up. Make sure I hit that like button, people. All right, so check it out. I got Nibbles out, and I just let Nibbles loose. Not too far. Try to keep her near the tree, and I stay a close distance while my snakes roam around outside, just so they don't get lost anywhere. Like they're not trying to run anywhere because I had them ever since they was a baby, so they've been with me for a long time. So let's go see where Burma is. All right, Burma is next to that tree I was talking about, and he's just in the tall grass. Sometimes when you got a giant Burmese python like this, people, you gotta let them loose, and then you gotta come around them and touch them just to make sure they're all right. Because when you don't touch your reptiles or your snakes, sometimes they get a little violent and they might bite. But since I do this all the time, he's not just gonna strike me. He's gonna allow me to pick him up. See, pick him up, put him in my hand, and let him go about his business because he knows that I'm just gonna let him be out here. So when you bring your snakes out, people, makes them a little bit more happy about life, or a lot happy. I mean, look how happy this snake is. Snake is chill. So let's see where Nibbles is. Okay, so we are over here with Nibbles. And you know how my handling technique is? Just gonna go in there, put my hand in there. Hey, Nibs. She looks surprised, but since I handle her all the time, she's not just gonna strike my hand. Because, if you scare a snake, snake's gonna scare you back because they bite. So, holla at your boy, people. I'm just letting you guys know how to have a happy, healthy snake and probably get a little bit better at your handling techniques. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the like button. I'm gonna let my snakes stay out probably for a good hour. Then I'll head back, put them in the tub, wash them down to make sure they don't have any bugs before I put them back in the enclosure. And then I turn on the heat lamp. Peace out, people. Join us next time. Look at that. Snake going in the bushes. That's one thing you got to watch out for. Nope. He says he's not going in the bushes. He's just examining that bush. So maybe I should look away. As soon as I look away, he's going to be in there.